Hello everyone, this is Subversion. Today I will discuss about ArcGIS and some basics about it. This version I am using is 10.7. You guys can use of your own preference. Okay, today's topic is what is GIS, file types in GIS, customizing ArcMap interface, connecting folders to ArcMap, adding data and layer, color and symbol change, add label, attribute table, adding field to attribute table, editing attribute table, and showing down below layer, and how to draw tool and identifier. Okay, let's then what is ArcGIS? ArcGIS is a family of client software, server software, and online geographic information system service development and maintained by EST. ArcGIS was first released in 1999 and originally was released as Arc or Info, a command line based GIS system for manipulating data. Okay, then we'll learn about types of ArcGIS. There are three types of ArcGIS: vector, raster, and RDMS. And vector and there are some types of vector data: dot shape, dot SSX, dot DBF, dot SBN, and raster data are dot IMG, dot PNG, dot JPG, and TIAA. And some there are some RDBMS like Postgres, PostGIS, SQL, NoSQL. Okay, ArcGIS gives you everything you need to manage. Extract X open ArcMap first. Here we can see a tab showing previous works. I have worked before, so that the files are showing up, and if we click open, it will open the latest file I have worked on. For the beginners, the page is totally blank. Let me show how the tab will look like. So this is how the tab will look. We can see layers that have no coordinate system, some other options like file, edit, view, bookmarks, and other. Uh, let's start. Okay. Okay, first work is folder connection. To work on my shapefile or folder, we have to connect the folder first. That's why let's open Arc Catalog. So I have worked before. Some file are showing connected that. Let me disconnect this folder. Like yeah. So if we can show how it and now show how we connect our folder. Here we click, then for example, I want to connect the GIS and RStudio folder, then click OK. So for this we connect, now we connect to a folder, and for that click on this tool, connect tool, and then and select the directory which folder we want to connect. My folder is, for example, I want to connect GIS and RStudio. Like I have my folder. Right. Here is my folder. Then it will show all the subfolders that are under GIS and RStudio. We can work on them. So I connect and GIS and RStudio folder. Then OK, uh, and then after connecting the folders, now come to the file extension. So open ArcMap once more, and here there is no toolbar. To work some toolbar, to work some basic, let's add some toolbars. Right click here besides help, then uh, then select toolbars named draw, editor, standard, toolbox, and also table of contents. Here we will get extract file option, double click on it. In standard toolbox, there is an option called data management tools. There is a data management tools, and here I will extract X file option. Double click on there. Here I will get extract file option, double click on it, and tab will open. There are two options: which folder we connect to extract, and where. So for input, I am giving the directory of file named proposed extended area. There is my phone. And for output folder, I am making a new folder here, remaining the it extracted folder, and clicking on it. Wait, then OK. Output. Then OK. And so you guys, here we can see there are three more folders like this are. Three more folder, and which extracted, and they have shape files for different layers. Now we can work on the specific one or two layer according to our preference. Okay. At first we add data as we have extracted our file, so now we can add any specific one or two layer. For this we have to click on this option add data. At this stage we have to go directory at which the file has been saved. Here is, so I have created a file named extracted files. Under this there are common data. there are common data V10 and V106. So we can add any single file like on common data, uh, water body, poly named layer. This is or we can just select all the file at a time and one by one that we need. Like on shape file, there are a lot of we can select of all there. There is, and then if you we can work on different world having different coordinate system. That's why we have to add more layer. So to add another layer, click on insert and then data frame. By this, new layer will be created. Now the new layer is empty. We can add data this layer by same process, like click on the data, then insert any one or more shape file from extracted file, like all this. And now we have two layer. If you notice, previous layer is not work anymore while we are at new data frame. For this we have to activate the layer first. Activate the layer. So right click on the layer, then activate this. That the upper layer will be activated. Now we can work on this. So at the first layer, we can see the different shapefile has different color and symbols. We can change all this simply by clicking on the color and symbol. For important location, we can change its symbol by clicking on the symbol. All the other symbol will be shown here, and we can select the one that goes with the feature. In addition, for polygon, like for lake, we can change the color, its outline with outline color, like then outline with outline color, and then okay. Its outline with outline color. At its symbol, we can change the type from simple gradient, line, fill up, pixel, fill, etc. Like gradient, etc. We can choose anything. And of course, the symbol or color should match with the feature so that we can understand what the feature is mean. For example, the lakes should be like blue shade, landscape on of green, roads are ash. Now we learn how to add label. There are hundred of features, but we cannot understand what features is this as there no label is added. So we can add label on the features. To do this, right click on any one like on important features, uh, then go to the properties, then to labels. Here we have to on the options label features in this same in this layer. We can select a label field by which we want to show the label, like FID or ID or something. We can show name. So I select name and click on OK. So the name of the important features will be shown here. Thus we can see Durbar Bangla, Janata Bank, Post Office, Kuwait Hill, etc. And now we can learn about open attribute table. So we can click any features, right click on the features and open and see open attribute table. Then click open attribute table. We can show that there is a table shown. Yeah, so if we can add more data at any features classes attribute table, for example, we want to add the information about important features if they are inside Kuwait boundary or outside of the Kuwait boundary. To do this, right click on the important location, then click on open attribute table and add more column. So click on the table options, then add field, and then field name. We select type, like field name is, and type is text type, and here is the length of the text. Then OK, and yes, here so you guys can see there is a new column added named to add data to this column. Select the whole column, go to the editor, go to the editor tool, uh, then click on the start editing, and which features are edit, and then select we edit important location, then select important location and click OK. Now we can edit anything. So we can edit like Kuwait Hill is inside of the Kuwait boundary, so uh, we write in means inside of the Kuwait boundary. Post office is outside of the boundary, so we named it is out. And Janata Bank, this is also inside on the Kuwait boundary. Durbar Bangla also inside, Fulbari Gate outside. Then and after this we can stop editing and OK. And here is the option, do you want to save your edits? So click on yes. Then and now we cannot edit anything because editor tools is stopped. So if you missed anything, so uh, and if we can edit any single chamber, starting editing, stopping editing is painful, we can just select the row and double and right click on the column, and then field calculator option. Select field calculator, and that we want to edit here. Yes, type. So we can change, we want to do like a full body gate. This is outside, so we out, and this is the inside. uh, then okay. Thus change at any single chamber. Here you show that full body gate is out of the with boundary. So we can delete any folder by right click on column name and then on delete field. like select, right click and delete field. Then yes, if we click on yes, then delete on the delete the uh, type and okay, and and then we of course unselect the whole table, then select the table, then back. And showing now we show name down below layer. If we open attribute table of important location, then we can see there are 6 types of location, but they are not showing down below the layer. Now if we want to add data names down here, we have to right click on the layer, go to the properties, then symbolize, like after important, then properties, then click on the symbolize option, and then who is then click categories, and who is field are showing want to showing, then I want to showing name, then name, and click add all values. Then we see that all the layer are shown, then okay. Here you can see all the features, Duro Bangla, Furbari Gate, Janata Bank, Kuwait Hill are shown on this level. Now if we add any new features on that file, then on any layer we have to click on the drawing toolbox, and then we show there are different types of option for rectangle, polygon, circle, ellipse, line, curve, etc. And for example, we'll draw an rectangle here. At present, this rectangle, click on the rectangle label and draw a rectangle. Uh, there are any other. Then click on the drawing option, then go to the convert graphics to features, click on this, then selected graphics only, this option, if this option is not selected, then select this option, then go to a folder where we can save this. For this I'm like, and here we can save the file, name this, make a polygon, then okay. And if you want to add exported data on the map layer, then click yes. Okay, I click. Here is a two for there. This is a drawing. This is the drawing which drawing, and we can delete this. And this is the feature. And yeah, this is the feature. We can change the feature color. Any option, we no color, and here is the border, just and select them, then and also now we can use identifier tool. This is the identify tool. Identify tool is a tool by which we can know about the detail of any feature by just clicking on the feature. For example, click on the identifier, then click on any features, identifier, then click on any features. It will show a tab where all the detail like name, category, location, area, shape, ID are all shown. So it's a useful tool to indeed. Thanks all for today. See you next video.